some excess material off of it because it's too big. We bore the hole on the inside, and it's actually two different size diameters. It moves in a little bit, and then it moves a little smaller and bores in the rest of the way. And now we thread it. It takes 4 or 5 passes to make the threads. Each one goes a little bit deeper.
And this is a job that would normally used to take us about 10 minutes, and now takes about
to manually do one.
seconds.
Right. Now here's the cutoff. And then the last part is the bar puller.
Can you grab one of the pieces and bring it up to the camera? Don't get too close, but...
This used to take about, right in there?
A little closer.
A little closer?
Yeah.
Okay, you can see the threads?
Yep, let's see here.
Why don't you take it, yeah. Turn around from the back.
That's pretty cool.
Making butt caps, threads and all used to take upwards of 10 minutes a piece.
And now it's
manually.
53 seconds.
Now it's taking about a minute.
Wow. And it's just going to keep on doing it for as long as there's phenolic material in there. It's just going to keep pulling it out.
Actually, right now it's in a continuous loop. It doesn't know that there's material in there.
So you've got to be here to tell us to stop.
So you got to be here to catch it and stop it. You'll see here in a minute because we should be getting close to the end.
I know you are. Presumably you're able to program it to tell it to only cut a certain number, so that way you don't have to kind of be standing here waiting for it to...
Yes, we will. It's the next step in programming.
Okay.
This machine, being as old a controller as it is, it doesn't have parts counters and such.
Let's back up a little. I want to just kind of show the whole machine real quick.
Okay.
Sorry, Royce. And this machine weighs about how much? 5,000 pounds. That's pretty cool.